So here we're looking at a map of the United States colored by percentage of obesity in each of the states. We see this legend here tells the different coloring bins. You can see that the lower percentages are the dark blues and the higher percentages go into the greens. If you look down to the lower left, you can also see this is a histogram showing the distribution of the different percentages. So the lower percentages are down here in the blues, and you can see that most of the states are in these regions, the 16s and the 17s and 20 percentages, and none are any higher than this green bin here. None of them in this year go into the reds. So we're looking at 1995. If you look at the top of the visualization, you can see that there's a series of years. There's a slider here that can go across years so that we can see the changes of obesity across the years. Right now we're looking at 1995. And if you look at the lower right, you can see a bar chart where each bar is a state in the United States, and the height of each bar is the percentage of people that are considered to be obese in that state for 1995. So if we start moving over time, we can push the play button, and we're moving from 1995 to 1996, and you can see the changes over time. 1997, now we're starting to get, the histogram is starting to move over to the right as people, the state's starting to get into the higher percentages of people that are considered to be obese. You can see the yellows down here in the southeast as the percentages go up into 25%. Mississippi is 19%, 29% in 2004. You can see it's increasing, especially down in the lower southeast of the United States. And now we've hit 2007, and I'll stop it. So you can see now that the United States is into the reds. The histogram has moved from the left over into the right, and each of the bars has gone up as the percentage in each state has increased the percentage of people that are obese. So if we go back to 1995, you can see the difference. You can see the histogram will move back to the left, the bars will go down, and the colors in the states will go from the reds and the oranges and the yellows down into the blues. So I'll click us right back to 1995, and you can see the difference in the colors there. You can change to different color maps. We have different types of colors for color deficient individuals or different preferences for colors. You can change what indicator you're looking at by clicking there on the legend. If you wanted to change what the map was colored by, you could click here and you could choose a different indicator to color by. And you can also change the number of bins that you have colored. Right now we have 15 bins. We can make that lower so that we get fewer bins. So now we just have these four colors, the blues, the beige, and the orange, and up to the browns. And that gives you an overall view of obesity in the United States over the years.